Everyone, welcome back to Engineer Tech channel. So in this video, I will discuss how to crack automation testing interview. So many of them are struggling. They have done the courses, and after attending the interview, they are rejecting in the interview. Guys, we have to make a plan. Okay, while doing the preparation or while switching the in automation testing profile, you have a proper plan. Okay, could see so many of them without offer letter they're going to resign. Okay, and they are in the trouble. Okay, so first of all, guys, if you don't have a offer letter, please do not resign. Okay, until you have a one at least one offer letter, then you can resign it and we can plan for the multiple offer letter. So here the problem is, we are lacking in automation. Mostly people they are struggling to write the code, logical programming. Okay, so nowadays days, like, interviewer is considering you are a developers. Okay, you have to write the code as a developers. So many of them you guys learn from YouTube, Udemy courses. I know that. Okay. After completing the course, you started your interview. So many courses, which is like Udemy or YouTube, we have a good content, but the content is not in the systematic way. So mostly people are lacking in, they are not able to write the code in front of the interviewer. Mostly people you are going to lack in programming language. Suppose you learn the Java, definitely you learn the Java from the Udemy or YouTube. Okay, YouTube, I can't say like this thing is not good, but the thing what we have, it's not having in the systematic way. Understood, right? So what happen when you will start your interview, your basics is not clear. So first of all, if you learn any automation library, either Selenium, either Playwright, okay, before that you have to learn programming in depth. Okay, if you don't have a knowledge in the programming, then you will stuck in the interview. If you will attend the interview, like out of 10 interview, 7 or 6 interviewers will focus on your programming language, and we are not doing this. We are not doing proper practice. That's why we reject in the interview. Selenium is library, Cucumber is library, Rest Assured is library, Jenkins is a tools, Git is a tools, Cloud is also means so not a programming, but these all the things are you can learn quickly and you can revise also, and things will not change. If I say how to handle drop down, so we have a like class. But in the programming, logic will change. Logic is not constant. So while searching the interview or while doing the preparation, while searching the job or while attending the interview, so before that we have to make a proper plan how to learn programming, how to learn logical programming. Okay, so guys, if anyone is interested to learn automation testing from the scratch, so we have a live classes. You can reach out to me, and many people got blessed. Okay, in my they need a proper guidance, where they are lacking. Okay, we can find our big point. So first of all, guys, you have to learn the programming concept is a different thing. If I say, can you explain the OOP concept, that is fine, you are able to explain it. If I say, can you write a code for, many people are stuck here. If I say, can you give me a one real-time example for polymorphism? Okay, some people are stuck. Where you have implemented the polymorphism concept in your project. Collection. What is collection? Definition, fine. Can you explain the array list and linked list? What is the difference? Then you write a piece of the code. Many of them are stuck because they are not learning programming in the depth. Understood, right? They are learning only to understand the Selenium script. But the interviewer is looking for you have a good knowledge in programming. So guys, just only one secret is to crack the interview, how to become a master in programming. Suppose you are going for the Java Selenium, you have a very depth knowledge in Java. If I say write a code for a string to count number of character using the hash map. Okay, write a code to remove duplicate element in your array list or array. Understood, right? So logical programming, you have to do the practice. First of all, you should you must be learn the Java in the depth concepts must be clear. This is the only secret to crack the interview. You know, there is nothing, there is no shortcut, guys. So please, if you are a working professional, you have a plan like 1 hours per day. So if you will spend 1 hours per day, and definitely you will see yourself, changes. Okay, the problem is we are not consistent. Okay, so you can plan per day 1 hours. I think you can spend 2 to 3. You will become a perfect in your subject. Then you can start your interview. Understood, right? This is the programming Selenium. Please do practice whatever library you are learning. You have to practice for the framework as well, because in the real time we do not write the simple code. In real time we write the code using the framework. Okay, so if you will not do the proper practice, and you will stuck in the interview, you will stuck in your task as well. Okay, so programming and real time will come when you will do the practice. Framework practice is also very important. Some of them are just they write basics code of Selenium, Cucumber and Rest Assured, but they do not implement the framework. They did not doing the practice on the framework. Apart from that, you should also know how the agile works. Okay, because if you know the process, then that is fine. If you don't know the process, you will stuck in the real time interview. You can comment, guys, if you are still facing any interviews questions, you are not clear, you can comment below and definitely I will reply back to you. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.